What's up, guys? We're back again. We had to cross a few stuff, like we had to cross the river, we had to cross through them, and like we're just obviously because we just came in through there, but we did notice something over there, and of course Taj is taken off, which we have seen some stuff moving here, and planes keep going past, which is just pretty cooked. But where's it? Okay, we have some sort of a path here. Did not want to come back here after last time though. That's fucked.
Who's there? Do they want to fight?
Why does that look almost perfect? Like that.
Josh, do they want to fight? Let's fight.
Do you want to go around or do you want... Actually, no, we'll just go through here.
Sorry?
Pine needles. Don't tase me, boy.
Oh, Josh.
We're gonna have to kick some trees too.
Alright. Why is it playing for my ears?
I know.
I love you, Josh. You probably don't even know what it is.
I don't know where the plane is.
No, you probably don't know what my YouTube.
I do.
How do
Shit.
you get...
Oh, that's prickly as fuck.
Why do you do it?
Look at all these.
Ow! That's your fault, Josh. Ow, you fucking suck.
I might just hop it all. Fuck.
Show that top.
Fuck you.
Whoa!
Tosh, you can't be bumping me in this, man.
Little gay bitch.
Fuck.
Bro, why are we even going here? It's not worth it.
That's really low. Oh!
I don't know why you're playing. It's not worth
Oh. Fuck.
Josh, stop complaining.
Shit. Oh. Well, at least got through. Look at that.
I love you, Josh.
Oh, gotta
I
edit
love
that out
you,
now.
Josh. Fucking hell.
Wait, I want to get in the car low key.
Okay.
Maybe not that. Days. I wonder what car this is. Car guys and girls, obviously. But car people,
Yeah.
tell me what car this you think this is in the comment section. Look at that.
Where's the chair?
Oh, that's. I was just step right in that. Okay.
Ladies first. You better not trip.
I won't exactly trip. Gee, I think that's a little bit loud. I don't think it can close.
Why wouldn't it try it? It's perfect shot.
I want to get in on the other side. Bro, look at the radiator. That's a Holden, guys. You can tell by the logo.
Can you say the song? Hey Josh, I love you.
Stand back, I'm kicking the door down. Could you hold that while I just kick the door down?
Sure.
That plane is getting really close.
What if I drop your phone in the water?
I'm gonna just get in.
Last words of Josh. He's a rank.
Bro, you can't drive the car! You cannot drive the fucking car. So, anybody want to hop in back? I'm gonna pick my girlfriend up in this for the first time. Oh, fuck me, look at that.
Why in there?
I don't know why. Bro, that's the bonnet way. Oh, look at the water. Okay. You can work with that.
It's ready to go now.
Oh,
Right now.
gotta be one shit on my back.
It's a hunter, man.
Fucking wouldn't surprise me.
Why is that helicopter, why is that tray keeps... That tray keeps... It's gonna...
Yeah, I know it's gonna fall. I can feel it under my feet. But it's not bad view up here, I'll tell you that. Where can I jump? That won't possibly kill me.
Look, sort of bit. Josh, yeah.
I feel that under.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Had this bug.
I don't want the bug.
Oh my god,
I don't think she's moving, guys. Bye car. That's no longer drivable, which who knows how long you couldn't be able to fucking drive the thing for. But anyways,
me?
chill little area.
Look,
My ankles are killing me from the fuck ass thorns. Oh, fucking cunt. Another car, but I think we already went to that one last time. You know, let's just go straight through here. Let's see if I die.
we already went this far.
No, we went the other way, remember? Because the other way is the way out. Fuck that. Cunt. Okay. It's really soft here. Bro, I think Diddy was out here. But we got moisturising cream. No way. Bro. What car are you? Oh, that almost looks like it's from a Holden or a Ford. These planes, look, you can hear them. I swear they're purposely circling this area. Hold on. Oh, you might just be able to see it. But that's so close to the ground, eh? Hang on.
It keeps...
Hey, down here, you big mad fucking cunt! Don't think you heard us. Yeah, I know. What the fuck's down there? This grass is about to get real. Hey, I don't think we've been down that way. This can either get us arrested. Okay, time to put a hoodies on, yeah? Ah, fuck ass pine cone too. Oh! Oh, my fucking ankle. Stop tying pine cones, boy.
I did.
I think, wait. Hang on, make our way through here real quick. Fuck. Bro, there's so many. We might want to head back because we might get shot. Look how close that is. We might want to get out. That looks like somebody's house. I don't want to get shot.
Let's go.
Fuck no, I'm going back the other way.
Let's go. Alright, there you go.
So I might try and climb this. I managed to climb up the tree. I want to get up there, but obviously it's a fair way down, and I think these are about to give up on me. Stop throwing shit at me. Fuck, I'm gonna end the video here until I get down. So we've had to leave from over there because there's planes still going around and they're getting closer and closer, and it's been happening for the last half an hour?
Okay.
Fuck's sake. Car parts, the average Tuesday.
Told you it's car.
That almost looks like it just goes into the ground. Look at,
Why'd you go in there?
there's a car over there, let's go to it.
I'm scared. Let me hold your hand.
You're not scared.
I'm gonna hold your hand because I love you.
I gotta edit so much. I'm too lazy to edit it all there.
What's that, me? Let's go.
This bridge is interesting. Get off me. That way. Is this the way? We haven't been this way. Oop.
Why do you... Josh, what are you looking at?
Bruh, we got the shopping trolley. Bruh, we got the R shopping trolley.
Yeah. Now get out.
There we go.
Get down.
Any guesses what this car might be? Gee, I don't think that's going anywhere. Do you want to cross over here?
Oh, yeah, well, sure, let's go. I think you'll get it.
Alright, let's cross. Get off. We just got over. This man's being a dumbass. The average car parts.
What?
There's gonna be snakes in here for sure.
Snakes. Snakes.
I don't know if you're able to hear that.
Where are they coming?
So we possibly found a way to get over
Let's jump.
into there. I just saw something move down there. Why does my camera have to be so shit? Don't exactly want to fall into that. That's really close. How deep's the water? I think we might just end the video here and just focus on getting out of here because of these planes and stuff. So yeah.